Can you see who watched your reels on Instagram? Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, simply open up your Insta. After you do that, head over to your profile. It's on the bottom right. Now what you need to do here is head over to your reel. Now make sure that you are on your professional account. You have a professional account. Now simply open up the reel. Now from here you can't really see anything, so you will need to view your insights. So tap on view insights. After you tap on view insights, you will see that the overview will give you a slight information. So as you can see right there, the views is 12, watch time is a minute, interactions 0, profile activity 0. So under views, you can see that I've reached around 7 accounts and half of my followers were my followers. I mean half of the views were my followers and half were not. So if you just check this out, and if you just try to look around here, you will find out that you cannot actually see who has viewed your Instagram reels. The one way you can know is that by the likes you have received. Now if you have received likes on your reels, you can say that those people have watched your reels. Other than that, there is no way you can know who else has watched your reels on your Instagram. And yeah, I hope this answers your question. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.